Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to easily crop videos using the InVideo. Whether you need to remove unwanted parts, adjust the framing, or fit your video to a specific aspect ratio, the InVideo makes it simple. So let's get started. Go to the InVideo website on your browser and log in to your account. If you are new, sign up for a free to get started. Click the create new video and upload the video you want to crop. You can also choose a template if you need one. Then to crop your video, drag your video to the timeline and click on the video to select the crop tool from the editing menu. Adjust the frame by dragging the crop handles to select the desired portion of your video. Choose the preset aspect ratios or customize it manually. Play the preview to check if the crop video looks the way you want. If needed, make further adjustment before finalizing. And once you're happy with the crop video, click export and select your preferred resolution and download the final file. And that's it. Cropping videos with InVideo is quick and easy. Use this feature to perfect your framing and enhance your video content. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching!